All right, tax family, this is Richard at James Family Tax. Thanks so much for tuning in. We put together some content for our entrepreneurs, our small business owners. We hope you find value in this. As always, any information that you hear or read from James Family Tax does not constitute any kind of legal advice. So please, anything specific to your business, reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to consult with you, or reach out to your tax or legal advisor. You can find us at www.jamesfamilytax.com or email me directly, richard@jamesfamilytax.com. All right, we hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful day. We're going to be talking about filing your articles of formation for an LLC in the state of Texas. All right, so whenever you're filing your articles of formation in Texas, you're going to be completing Form 205, and you're going to be sending this into the Secretary of State. Now, whenever you send this into the Secretary of State, there is a filing fee of $300, and if you're doing it online, there are some additional fees for filing online. Now, at James Family Tax, we do help our clients file their LLC paperwork, and we do it digitally. We can also walk you through the process and make sure that everything is done correctly before you file. So please reach out to us. All right, so whenever you're filing for your LLC, whenever you're completing these articles of formation, there's four main things that you're going to be accomplishing or that you're going to be filling out. So Article 1 on that Form 205 is going to be the name. You're going to want to make sure that your name is available. You're going to want to make sure that the name is also viable. So you can't use a name of a company that's already in existence in the state. You want to make sure that it's a viable name, it's not anything that's misleading. You also have to make sure that whenever you are naming your company that it does have LLC or Limited Liability Company in the actual name itself. So we can help determine if the name is available, if it's viable. There are searches that you can do on the Secretary of State site. So reach out to us if we can help you with that. All right, once you've determined the name, availability, and viability, then at that point, you're going to want to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. This sounds super confusing to a lot of people, but just to break it down really simply, a registered agent is somebody that resides in the state of Texas, and this is going to be the person or organization that receives any kind of legal paperwork on behalf of your company. So if somebody decides that they're going to file a lawsuit on your company, they're going to go to the Secretary of State website, they're going to look up your company, the registered agent is what's going to show, and then that's who they're going to go and serve that paperwork to. So it's a really important role whenever you're selecting the person or organization for your registered agent. You just want to make sure that they're trustworthy. There's lots of companies that offer this service at a cost, so you can definitely check those out online or reach out to James Family Tax and we can give you some guidance on that. You can be your own registered agent. Things you want to consider though, if somebody's going to be serving any kind of paperwork to you or filing any kind of lawsuit, do you want that going to your place of business or to your residence? So reach out to us. We can help you walk you through that and what makes the most sense for you. But simply put, the registered agent, it's somebody that's in the state of Texas. It's a person or it's an organization. All right. So we've covered the name, we've covered registered agent. Next, we're going to be covering your governing authority. The governing authority basically means, are you a member-managed LLC or a manager-managed LLC? If you're member-managed, that means that all of the members in your LLC have management authority proportionate to the ownership share that they have in your company, in your LLC. If you're manager-managed, that means that the LLC is appointing a person or a group of people to manage the company. There's a little bit more flexibility when you're manager-managed. We recommend doing manager-managed and just laying out in your operating agreement on what everybody's role and responsibility is. And then the last thing is your purpose. In the state of Texas, you don't have to be super specific. You can be general in the purpose of your LLC, and you can even make some modifications in your operating agreement whenever you're writing that out. But for the articles of formation, just put generally, what is it that you're going to be doing? What kind of business are you going to be conducting in the state of Texas? All right, y'all. So we've covered four main things for filing your articles of formation with the state of Texas. Once you file that paperwork off, you just wait for them to give you that certificate of filing. Once you got that certificate of filing, your LLC is official. Now, we do have other videos that do go into what to do next once you are an official LLC. Thanks for watching and have a great day.